Welcome back, heroes. Today we're here with class 10. In this class we will see our Ironman with rainbow plus chest glow plus eye alert. Let us understand this story step by step. Step 1, get red, green, blue and eyes beams ready. Pin mode 4, output to power up red beam. Pin mode 5, output to power up green beam. Pin mode 9, output to activate blue beam. Pin mode 7, output to wake up glowing eyes. Now, let's understand the rainbow cycle. Step 2, flash red like an alert. digitalWrite 4, high to keep red light on. Step 3, wait for 0.2 seconds. Delay 200 to hold red light for 200 milliseconds. Step 4, put red light off. digitalWrite 4, low, it will power off red light. Step 5, flash on green beam. digitalWrite 5, high, it will power on green light. Step 6, hold on green beam for 0.2 seconds. Delay 200, it will hold the green glow for 200 milliseconds. Step 7, turn off green light. digitalWrite 5, low, it will turn off the green light. Step 8, now turn on the blue light. digitalWrite 9, high, pin D9 will turn on the blue light. Step 9, hold the blue beam for 0.2 seconds. Delay 200 will hold the blue light for 200 milliseconds. Step 10, turn off the blue light. digitalWrite 9, low, it will off the blue beam. Step 11, wake up eyes and hold the glow. digitalWrite 7, high, to turn on eyes, and delay 1000 to hold the eyes glow for 1000 milliseconds. Step 12, turn off eyes and hold the darkness. digitalWrite 7, low, to turn off eyes, and delay 1000 to hold the dark eyes for 1000 milliseconds. Step 13, cycle up colors in loop. For this, we are using concept of loop. It will cycle up all red, green, blue colors and eyes blink. That's it, heroes. You've just built an alert system with rainbow chest glow and glowing robot eyes.